Starting a t-shirt business on Amazon may sound daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know you can launch your own t-shirt line with no upfront costs? How does turning your creative ideas into profitable merchandise without handling any of the typical hassles of a business sound? Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into how you can start an online t-shirt business on Amazon. Starting an online t-shirt business on Amazon represents one of the most accessible entrepreneurial ventures today. Unlike other online businesses that may require substantial upfront investments and extensive logistics, launching a t-shirt business on Amazon is remarkably cost-effective and straightforward. This platform offers a unique opportunity to harness the extensive reach of the world's largest online retailer to get your products in front of millions of potential customers without dealing with the complexities of fulfillment and customer service. Why choose Amazon for selling t-shirts? Amazon is not just a massive marketplace. It's a powerhouse with built-in traffic that gives new products immediate visibility. This is a significant edge over other platforms like Etsy, where the seller has to manage all aspects of customer service and logistics. With Amazon, all the heavy lifting, from the printing and shipping of t-shirts to handling returns and customer complaints, is managed by Amazon. This setup allows you, the seller, to focus solely on the creative and marketing aspects of your business, potentially creating a passive income stream as your designs begin to sell. Understanding Amazon's customer base is vital for effectively targeting your t-shirt designs. With millions of users, Amazon caters to a broad spectrum of demographics, making it important to design products that appeal to various age groups, interests, and spending habits. Research indicates that Amazon shoppers value quick delivery, vast selection, and competitive pricing. By examining popular categories and trending products, you can tailor your designs to align with current demands and fashion trends. This approach not only attracts the attention of diverse shoppers but also ensures your designs remain relevant and desirable, leading to increased sales and customer retention. The first step in your journey is to apply to the Merch by Amazon program. This application process is designed to filter and ensure that only serious sellers are able to market their products. This gatekeeping is beneficial as it reduces the saturation of the market, allowing better visibility for approved sellers. Once accepted, you gain the ability to list your designs on various products. Amazon employs a tier-based system for sellers. You start with the capability to upload 10 unique designs. As your sales grow, Amazon promotes you to higher tiers, thereby increasing your upload capacity and potential revenue. The core of a successful t-shirt business lies in the ability to identify and create designs that resonate with consumers. This involves thorough market research to discover trending themes and underserved niches. Using tools like Merch Informer, you can tap into analytics that show what is selling well and the level of competition in various niches. When creating designs, it's crucial to ensure that you are not infringing on existing trademarks, which can lead to severe consequences like account suspension. Always verify the trademark status of any phrases or symbols you plan to use. Strategically pricing your t-shirts on Amazon is essential for attracting buyers and ensuring profitability. It's important to research and analyze the pricing of similar t-shirt designs to determine a competitive yet profitable price point. Consider employing a tiered pricing strategy that offers different prices based on design complexity and exclusivity. During specific periods such as holidays or sale seasons, implementing promotional pricing can boost your visibility and sales volume. Remember, the right price strikes a balance between affordability for the customer and sustainable profit margins for you, helping to establish your brand as a go-to option within the crowded marketplace. While artistic skill is a plus, modern tools and resources have made it possible for anyone with a good eye for design to succeed. Platforms such as Canva or graphic resources from sites like Creative Fabrica provide templates and elements that you can customize to create professional-looking designs. These resources are especially valuable for individuals who may not have formal training in graphic design but possess a clear vision of what appeals to potential customers. After designing your t-shirts, the next crucial step is to create compelling product listings. This involves writing clear, concise, and engaging product titles and descriptions that incorporate relevant keywords without overstuffing. Properly optimized listings enhance your visibility on Amazon's search engine, making it easier for customers to find your products. Also, utilizing social media is another potent strategy to drive traffic to your listings. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are excellent for building a brand around your t-shirt designs. Regular posts, engaging with followers, and using targeted ads can help you reach a wider audience, encouraging direct sales and aiding in quickly moving up Amazon's tier system. Now, it's important to stay informed about Amazon's policies and the common pitfalls new sellers may encounter. Many new accounts face challenges that could lead to termination if not managed correctly. Education on these topics is crucial. Understand Amazon's terms of service, keep abreast of any changes, and engage with seller communities for tips and advice. As your t-shirt business on Amazon starts to gain momentum, consider scaling up by expanding your product range and exploring new market opportunities. Diversifying your offerings with related products such as hoodies, tank tops, and children's apparel can attract a wider audience and generate additional revenue streams. Regularly analyze your sales data to identify your best-selling designs and capitalize on those trends. Scaling your business also involves enhancing your promoted strategies and optimizing your operational processes to handle increased volume. By strategically growing your product lines and adapting to market demands, you can sustain and accelerate your business growth on Amazon. Starting a t-shirt business on Amazon can be both exciting and profitable when done right, leveraging Amazon's vast audience and logistical support for scalability. With a focus on compelling designs, strategic marketing, and thorough research, you can develop a growing online business while sidestepping the usual e-commerce challenges. What kind of t-shirt designs would you love to see on Amazon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.